Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best water dispensers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, portable, or premium, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the CreativeWare 3-gallon beverage dispenser. Designed for simplicity and convenience, this dispenser is a great option for casual gatherings, parties, and even outdoor picnics. With a large 3-gallon capacity, it's perfect for serving anything from lemonade to iced tea. The no-drip spigot ensures clean dispensing, and the BPA-free acrylic material is both safe and durable. Plus, it's made in the USA, so you can feel confident about its craftsmanship. The design is straightforward and functional, with a clear body that makes it easy to see when it's time for a refill. It's made from break-resistant acrylic, so while it's not as robust as stainless steel options, it's lightweight and easy to move around. Its compact dimensions make it suitable even for smaller spaces. While this dispenser doesn't offer temperature control or advanced features, it's a fantastic choice for anyone who needs a simple, affordable solution for dispensing beverages. However, keep in mind that it's not ideal for hot liquids or heavy daily use. Overall, at just $38.15, the CreativeWare beverage dispenser is a fantastic value for casual, low-maintenance use cases. At number 4, we have the Cozy Blue Water Dispenser, the ultimate budget-friendly option. This portable water bottle pump is compact, lightweight, and incredibly easy to use. With its USB rechargeable battery, you can enjoy up to a month of use on a single charge. It's compatible with 2 to 5 gallon water bottles, making it versatile for home, office, or even outdoor use. The build quality is decent for its price, with a high-density ABS plastic body and food-grade silicone tubing. It's BPA-free, ensuring safety for your drinking water. The one-touch operation makes it simple to dispense water, and the automatic off switch adds an extra layer of convenience. However, it lacks advanced features like temperature control or a standalone dispenser base, so it's best suited for users who prioritize portability and simplicity. The Cozy Blue Water Dispenser is perfect for anyone on a tight budget or those who need an on-the-go solution. While it lacks the durability and functionality of premium models, it's hard to beat at just $5.99. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills way to dispense water, this is an excellent pick. A runner-up at number 2 is the Brio bottom-loading water cooler dispenser. If convenience is what you're after, this bottom-loading model is a game-changer. It eliminates the need to lift heavy water bottles, as the bottle slides right into the bottom compartment. The LED display and empty bottle alert make it incredibly user-friendly, ensuring you'll never run out of water unexpectedly. This dispenser also offers 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature, making it versatile for any need. The stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance, while the child safety lock ensures that hot water is dispensed safely. It's perfect for families, offices, or anyone who wants a hassle-free water dispenser. The only slight drawback is its higher weight compared to other models, which makes it less portable. However, its functionality, design, and convenience make it a solid investment for those who want a top-performing water dispenser. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Igloo top-loading water cooler. This premium dispenser offers a perfect balance of functionality and style. With its top-loading design, you can easily monitor water levels, and it's compatible with both 3 and 5-gallon bottles. The stainless steel and black finish not only look modern, but also ensure durability. This dispenser provides both hot and cold water, making it ideal for a variety of uses. From refreshing drinks to hot beverages like tea or coffee. The child safety lock on the hot water spout is a thoughtful addition, ensuring safe use in family environments. The removable drip tray adds convenience when it comes to cleaning, and its freestanding design makes it versatile for placement anywhere. At $129.99, the Igloo top-loading water cooler is an investment, but its reliability, design, and advanced features make it worth every penny. It's perfect for homes, offices, or dorms where quality and aesthetics are top priorities. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.